Nothing's bolted on the backside. It's just hanging. The other side, getting the other side done. So maybe I'll go to the bolt. I'm gonna tighten it down. That dirt's on the outside, as long as it's up on the inside. You're having that tool last time. So I need the long stud back there. Like a wrench I get that there. And the air goes in there with these. Really, if I had to start, I just hook it up, start it, but no oil. Not good. Thank you for Diet Mountain Dew. Refreshing. Maybe if I had beer in it, I'd have help. All of our performance Huggy, who, in my opinion, the best tech guy to help you out anywhere. Nobody? Anybody? Here's a header, let's go. It's one of them Schoenfelds. Going fields. So food in it. It ain't got that fancy muss. Probably just burn out. It looks like I did though, because that looks awful. Fancy block off plate. Cut specially for GM head. Pretty sure. I don't throw anything away. Specifically not designed for the head, not a head. That might be the intake bowl I was looking for. Copper gaskets. I don't burn these out so fast. Might help get that tightened up later. Can't put the radiator in because I bet the fan is FedEx, so it won't show up. But it was free. Going home. I think all my fire steering fluid is drained out. Perfect. Nothing like laying in oil. Fasten all must make these because they look fast. Oh, we got fuel. We got fuel. And return line. So I don't leak back. I don't even know. The oil field. Used to oil everywhere. Gripped in my hand. That's probably like $3. Right? Dirty. Throttle stick. Back there right now. There's a bunch of fluid. Kids left the Easter candy in my stitch in that there. Still finding Easter eggs. Really, that's about it on the top of the motor. 47 minutes to tighten down the header bolts because they drained all one fluid. The rear end makes it go round.